Hey Miss A's class, today I'm going to show you how to take a survey. We are going to be doing a survey on what we already know about science, so it's our pre-science survey. When you get to your computers, you're going to see that your laptops are open to this page. It is the EDE Rockers AR Showcase page. Once you're in the page, you're going to see me. I'm the first person on there. So you're going to then click on my name, and then you're going to find Google Form. It's right down here. It's the fourth option from the bottom, and it says Google Form, a science pre-survey for my students to complete. So you're going to click on that green part that's underlined, and then you'll take into a page, and you'll notice this is a survey page, and pretty much it's a list of questions. There's 10 questions that you're going to answer, and they all relate to science, but they're dealing with weather and appropriate clothing because that's what we're going to be learning this quarter. So once you get started, and I'll do a pre-one with you, you're going to put your name, so Miss A, and anytime you see this red little star here, that means you have to do the question. As you can see here, it says required. So then let's move on. Now don't go based off of my answers that I'm choosing here. I'm just going to be choosing random answers just to give you an idea of how it works. But when it is your turn, I want you to choose the answer that you think best fits the question. So the first question asks, if it is snowing outside, which of the following outfits would be appropriate to wear? You're given three options: shorts, t-shirt, and sunglasses, coat, scarf, and gloves, jeans, sandals, and a shirt. When you think you know the answer, you're going to click on it. And as you can see, when you click on it, it lights up. So you have like the orange, or rather the blue, sorry, with a little dot. It looks like an eyeball. Then you're going to move on to the next question, and so forth. And now if you skip a question, because all these questions are required to be filled in. So if you skip a question and you get towards the bottom and you're done and you click submit, it's going to highlight all the questions in red that you did not complete. So as you see here, it says looks like you have a question or two that still needs to be filled out. So then if that's just the case, just scroll down and see which ones you didn't answer. So then you just go in and you fill them in. Again, you're reading the questions, and I'm just putting, random answers right now, but you'll be doing it with what you think is the correct answer. And no one is graded on this. I just want you to know that. It's basically for me just to see where you guys are at in regards to science. So once all of them are completed, you're going to click this bottom button that says submit. And then it'll say, thanks, your response will now appear in my spreadsheet. So then I will have all of your results and all the answers you've chosen, and it's going to be on an Excel spreadsheet for me, so that way I can see where you guys are at and what I need to focus on more with you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me or ask Miss Garcia. We'll be around to help you. All right, thanks. Good luck.